Hello, this is Pirate Quills. I'm also Coral Quills, and I am also an admiral. But that's in my role play, and that's in my social media, where I have rooms and all kinds of outfits, and I play the role play of a admiral. I like to give parties, and so you get admired for that, and especially if you have one every weekend for a year. So that's what I wear my feather for. I have my tricorn here. Oh, shh. There you go. This is my Happy Crocheters t-shirt. And so my Loch Ness Monster here is guarding my stitching tools. Yes. And so all decorated up for Halloween and Talk Like a Pirate Day. Also, working on some Christmas kitchen towels, and they're two-colored. I don't know if you can see that. I got two. And so, got those ready to go. And I have my little pirate hats that I finally finished. This is a headband style, and you keep your ears warm and a little tied. And then I have a mixed color with black and red, and it has a little tie. And then a full-on red one, and doing that same kind of stitch where I do the ribbing, a cuff, and it's got a little tie and a pom-pom. So all decked out for the bird's nest or the crow's nest, and keep your head warm. One last thing I have is the Halloween pumpkin doily, and working on doing maybe some more Halloween stuff, maybe a couple of little toys, and been busy with crocheting a few of those Knights in Shining Armor hats with the mask, and they were well received. Anyways, that's all I gotta show you for now, and I'll plug this in with my past activities with dyeing and with all my other fun pictures of knitting projects. And what else are we gonna do on the ship? Let's try to think of some fun blankets and wormies. Okay, well, post you if you like, and comment and subscribe, just in case I come up with some more. Never know, I might be on one of those cruise ships that are just for pirates who talk like a pirate year after year, dress like a pirate, and act like a pirate. So in good heart, good fun, me hearties. Goodbye. We'll see you again. Ta-da.